I got this Arches and Halos Tonya Crooks Professional Brow Water Resistant Firm Hold Brow Gel and Clear. And I'm going to try it for the first time. I got one years ago in like a dark brown or black color that I really liked from a subscription box. And this one is clear. I got this at Rite Aid the other day. It says it's ophthalmologist tested, dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, vegan, cruelty free, and Leaping Bunny approved. I still don't know what this Leaping Bunny is, but they approve it. I really don't do those. Alright, so if I can find it. I mean, my cats are bunny and plumper, but I don't know if they're leaping or anything. These are so tiny in this packaging that it always feels like they're not in here. Oh. Okay, there it is. So this is it. It says hold tight. Tonya's easy step to hold those brows, the finishing step. Step 1, glide on extra strength conditioning clear water resistant gel to tame and set brow hairs alone or after using the pencils, pomade, powder, or mousse. So I'm just gonna go with this. And that's what it looks like. So it's like this. It's tiny. Bless me, compared to like other things I've used. And so it's this little wand, which is great because I don't have big brows. Can you move my hair out of the way? Uh-oh, did I get on my eyes? I don't know. Pretty good. It's hard to tell because I'm using my phone. That's pretty cute. Sometimes I just want a clear brow gel that's good and holds my brows in place, grooms them nice and neatly, and it's so hard to find one. But this one seems pretty decent. Except for that one here that's pissing me off. Oh my god. I need to like get this trimmed or something. That's probably what it is. I'm gonna stop playing with it before like I get too OCD. But let me fix this one. Alright, so yeah, those are my brows. What do you think? If you like them, give this video a thumb up if you can. And follow me, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Lulu's World, and I will see you all later. Oh, don't forget to comment and share this. Thanks, bye.